Hey guys, this is how to loop a YouTube video on your Android phone, so let's get into it. So first of all, you just need to open up your YouTube and then simply select for your desired video. Then click on the three vertical dots in the bottom right corner of that video. Now here simply click on save to playlist. Basically we just need to create a new playlist in order to loop a video. For this, click on the new playlist at the top right. Now click on the title and then put here any of the title, and in the privacy section you have to just select for the private. Once you done, click on the create. So right after that you have to just click on the library, or you can also click on the see list option in order to open this playlist. So once you are here at this interface in your library, so here you just need to open up your playlist. So right here you have to just simply click on the play all in order to loop that video. You can add many of the videos here in this playlist in order to loop all of the videos one by one, or you can select any single video here, like I am selecting here this only one video. So in order to loop the video you have to simply click on the loop icon in the bottom right of that video, and right after that you can also shuffle your video as well. And yes guys, that's how to loop a video on your YouTube in your Android phone. And that's all for this video. I hope this video makes a sense for you. Thanks for watching.